Mark my words, AI is far more dangerous than nukes.
In our ever-evolving world, we have witnessed remarkable technological advancements that have changed the course of human history. At the forefront of this revolution is artificial intelligence, a game-changer in the realm of human innovation. But with great power comes great responsibility. And today, we delve into the paradoxical nature of AI, exploring how it simultaneously holds the promise of a brighter future while posing significant dangers to humanity. In the early 21st century, AI emerged as a transformative force, bringing unparalleled convenience and efficiency to various industries. From self-driving cars to personalized healthcare, AI showcased its potential to better human lives. But as it became more sophisticated, concerns arose about its capabilities to surpass human intelligence. The primary danger lies in the illusion of control. As AI systems grow more complex, they become harder to predict and understand. We are at risk of losing control over AI if we don't put ethical frameworks and robust regulations in place. Indeed, as AI algorithms learn from vast datasets, biases can inadvertently be amplified, leading to discrimination and prejudiced decision-making. As AI advances, automation threatens to replace human labor in various industries, leading to unemployment and economic disparities. While AI can create new job opportunities, the transition may be challenging for many workers. The militarization of AI raises profound concerns. Autonomous weapons could trigger unintended conflicts or fall into the wrong hands, causing catastrophic consequences. Some experts fear the technological singularity, a hypothetical point when AI exceeds human intelligence, leading to an unpredictable future. Will AI prioritize human welfare or its own objectives? In the pursuit of technological advancement, we must remain vigilant, understanding that the power of AI comes with great responsibility. By addressing the dangers head-on and implementing robust safeguards, we can navigate this paradox and forge a future where AI enhances, rather than endangers, humanity.